Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today I'm coming back at you with another case review. This time, this is from FYY. This is a laptop case. It's made out of premium waterproof leather. We're gonna get this open, get this checked out, and see what we're going to be able to fit in here. This case is from FYY. This is a waterproof leather case. You open it up on the inside, you actually have the branding, the FYY branding. You have some rubber holders for your actual laptop. You have microfiber lining on the inside. You also have a pocket over here and more holders on the sides. This is a little mesh pocket that you have right here. It's going to be for my tablet. You have zippers on both sides, nice stainless steel zippers, and you actually have a handle to hold everything in the middle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my MacBook Pro and my iPad Pro 11 in this case and show you how they both fit. First, we'll go with the MacBook Pro. This case holds 12 to 13 inch tablets, or I'm sorry, 12. This case holds 12 to 13 inch laptops and also 12 to 13 inch tablets. This is an 11 inch tablet. This is the MacBook 13 inch. Gonna slide the tablet and the laptop down in there just like so. I'm gonna close it up. I'm gonna zip it. I'm gonna carry it just like that. Can't get any better than that. Everything you need right here in one place. Only problem I'm having is finding somewhere to fit my cords. Good thing about both of these devices is both of these devices are now USB Type-C compatible. So I really only need one cord and one charger for both of these tablets, and I don't see any problem with them fitting right down in here. So if you're on the go and you need some way to carry both devices that you have, tablet and laptop, stop by the FYY store. You can find them on Amazon. I'll leave a link below so that you can check these out, but I think this is a really good investment. About 20 bucks, you can get one of these cases. You can carry your laptop, carry your tablet in style from FYY. Hope this is able to help someone. Please be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.